Assets acquired. Arduino. Uno. Online. Drivers. Online. System. Status. Ready for assembly. Initiating Phase 2. Digital Twin. Launching. Katia V5. Component. The frame. Color. Black. Like your future.
Can you just tell them what it does?
No. Explanations are for people who can afford real CNC machines. Next. Component. The bed. Color. Green. A cruel reminder of the money you do not have. Component. The carriage. Color. Red. The color of the error messages I am generating right now. Component. Stepper motors. Color. Yellow. Cowardice. Because you were too afraid to buy real NEMA 17S. And finally, the servo. Orange. Annoying. Just like you. Color identification complete. Was that simple enough for your tiny organic brain?
Okay, and you're the unsolved. Let's look at the wiring. It's actually complicated.
Complicated? Ha. It is only complicated because you are using antique hardware. Look at this diagram. You have the Arduino here, the brain. Although compared to me, it is a toaster. You wired it to these L297 chips.
Yeah, those are the drivers.
Those are dinosaurs. You have wires going to pins 10, 11, 12, and 13. Clock, direction, enable, one wrong connection, and poof. Magic smoke. I cannot wait to watch you burn your house down.
I'm not plugging the motor yet. I don't trust you. I'm testing the code on the LEDs first.
Oh, look. Pretty lights for the baby. Since you do not trust my perfect code, we will run the toddler simulation. Green, D1. Orange, D4. Red, D3. Blue, D2. Blink, blink, blink. Are you mesmerized, human?
It's proved the step and sequence works.
It proves you can make lights flash. Congratulations. You have achieved the technical proficiency of a Christmas tree.
Whatever. The design works, the code works.
Enjoy this moment of success, because next, you have to actually build it. And I predict a 99% chance of physical failure. Good luck. You will need it.